We are here at the Q-Expo, the conference of the European Industry Quantum Consortium. And this is exactly, we are here because Quantum BW is focusing on bridging the gap between academia to industrial application of quantum technologies. In Baden-Württemberg, Quantum BW has the task to bring, in particular, the quantum sensor technologies to applications. We have a lot of scientists that had pioneered this field, and we have now startups from both sides, from academia and from large companies like Bosch or Trump, who is in this field and make these quantum sensor technologies happening. And this is one of the first fields of quantum technologies where really hardware will enter an industrial application. On the second pillar of our initiative, we are supporting quantum computing. And in particular, we are focusing on the software stack. So that means that we are hardware agnostic, cooperating with the leading hardware companies in Europe and all over the world, and build the software that brings these quantum computers to applications with our industrial partners. And in Baden-Württemberg, we have more than 50 partners. Many of them are industry companies, and they want to be the first users of this quantum technologies, in particular in the field of chemistry and drug design. This is one of our focuses in a particular application field. And we have also there many startups that we bring together with the users. And last but not least, at the moment in the field of quantum networks, we establish a statewide network which is fiber-based and with interconnectivity to satellites, so that we make QKD accessible for our industrial users, and at the same time use this network to establish a quantum internet platform with our researchers, so that we can bring together the different quantum devices, sensors and computers with distributed entanglement in one network. Fortunately, many partners in Baden-Württemberg and around Baden-Württemberg are collaborating with us on these three fields of technologies, and so we are well interconnected in Germany and all over Europe. There are several measures we support this ecosystem. In particular, we have a lot of transfer booster projects where we bring the quantum pioneers with the companies that are the first applicants of the technology together. And we have these sprint challenges where they show the application, be it in the field of sensing or computing with use cases. And then there is some kind of a funnel so that we reduce the number of these players with relevant use cases to give them then more and more money to catch to a higher TRL level, or to be more concrete on the quantum computing use cases and software applications. And in the field of quantum networks, we have a lot of partners that are really interesting to make a first business use case out of QKD as a service. And there you can see how these measures really supports the transfer from academia to industrial applicants. The easiest option is to get in contact with us on www.quantumbw.de, which is our website, or on LinkedIn. You will find us also on, by Quantum BW. And we are the first contact to this whole ecosystem with more than 50 partners in Baden-Württemberg.
What's up, world? Wake up.